Most cosmetic devices and treatments have more marketing than science behind them, and they're not worth your money, frankly. These 4 though are ones that I highly recommend. The first one is the most powerful LED device in the world. If you don't know what LED is or what it can do, here's a 30-second breakdown. Ever since the invention of medication and tablets and pills, we've used drugs and pills to go through the digestive tract and reach our cells because we can't shrink our cells down to size like Ant-Man and move things around inside our cells or pull a sword out to slash the bacteria in half. However, with LED, we have that ability now. Instead of shrinking ourselves down into the cells, we can use the tiny particles or waves of radiation to do those things for us. These particles can go in and stop inflammation, activate cells, kill bacteria, and much more. And we know radiation is easily capable of causing changes because UV radiation from the sun can give our skin color, can give us skin cancer, can help produce vitamin D to improve our immune system. The more power an LED device has, the more biological change it can give you. The more sunshine, the more UV radiation, the more likely you're going to get skin cancer, as an example. So no wonder this device has medical licenses for things like acne, wound healing, psoriasis, and much more, which no other LED device has. It's also why the changes you get are A, super significant, and B, super quick. Compare curing this acne in 4 weeks with no medication, no injections, no tablets, no liver function tests, no nasty side effects, with the traditional way of taking drugs like Roaccutane for 6 months. It's for you if you want help with acne, wound healing, dry skin, inflammation, redness, rosacea, and much more. This is the Dermalux Tri-Wave MD. If you're interested in getting it, check the link in the description to see who's near you that has it, and make sure that you don't go to a clinic that has a Dermalux Flex, which is designed for home use and has much less power. The second one on this list is the greatest laser system ever invented. The power levels and the construction of this company are second to none. Check out these before and afters and know that these were all done in literally just 1 or 2 treatments. That's how powerful it is. You can literally get the result you want in just 1 treatment. It's great for skin texture, scarring, pigmentation, anti-aging, wrinkles, sun damage, vascular lesions, saggy skin, and much more. The company is called Cyton, and the devices that are capable of giving results like this are the Halo Laser, the Moxie Laser, and the BBL Hero, which is broadband light. There's a link in the description below to find someone near you that has a Cyton device in their clinic. The third one is great for people that want skin tightening, scar treatment, and even getting rid of small pockets of fat in areas to contour some definition in. You may have heard of the Morpheus 8, which is taking the world by storm. The device I'm talking about isn't this. Same technology, which is fractional RF microneedling, but it does it so much better. Look at these before and afters and how incredible they are. What makes this much better than the Morpheus 8 in my opinion is the construction and design. It measures the electrical resistance of your tissues before administering the energy, which makes it completely unique and for very good reason. It gives much more biological change called coagulation and much more consistently too. This means your skin is more likely to get the result that you want in much less time. Lutronic in general, along with Cyton and Dermalux, have exceptionally good reputations for device quality. And to be honest, if I could have all 3 at home, I definitely would. This is the Lutronic genius. The 4th treatment is by far and away the most advanced skin quality injectable ever formulated. It's not a filler, it's not a botulinum toxin, it's injected directly into the skin, and in as little as 1 session sometimes you can see a huge improvement in pigmentation, wrinkles, laxity, appearance of volume loss, stretch marks, cellulite, and much more. Its sister products are even used in things like sports medicine, wound healing, gynecology, and a whole load more. Check this video in the corner if you want to see me use it. Now, I literally never use any of the skin quality injectable anymore since discovering it, and it's called Sunakos. If you're interested in having it, see if you can get it done by someone who's been trained by myself to ensure that they're doing it properly.